IIM Recruitment 2020. So guys, you are watching here recruitment notification from IIM department. So let's check the details now. So working for 12 project associate 1 and senior project associate posts. Eligible persons having MSc, M Pharma, GATE, NET qualification can attend the online interview for IIM jobs 2020. So important date for walk-in interviews 3rd September 2020. CSIR Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine, IIIM Project Associate 1 and Senior Project Associate vacancy details. So now let's check here the total vacancies. So for Senior Project Associate, here 1 post. For Project Associate 2, 7 posts. Project Associate 1, 2 posts. Project Associate second 2 posts. So educational qualification for Senior Project Associate: MSc in any branch of life sciences from a recognized university or equivalent, 4 years experience in research and development industrial and academic institution or science and technology organizations and scientific activities and services. Age limit is 40 years. For Project Associate 2, MSc in organic medicinal pharmaceutical applied chemistry from a recognized university or equivalent, 2 years experience in research and development in industrial academic institutions or science and technology organizations and scientific activities and services. Or MSc in biotechnology, biochemistry, biochemo, pharma informatics from a recognized university or equivalent, and 2-year experience of CADD techniques in research and development industrial and academic institutions or science and technology organizations and scientific activities and services. Or M Pharma in medicinal pharmaceutical applied chemistry from a recognized university or equivalent, and 2 years experience in research and development industrial and academic institution or science and technology organization scientific activities and services. Age limit is 35 years. For Project Associate, MSc in organic medicinal pharmaceutical applied chemistry from a recognized university or equivalent. Age limit is 35 years. So you guys, you are watching your link for official notification download, application link and official website link. You can see these all links in the description box I've given there. So must visit to apply. Now let's check the process how you can apply. Interested candidates can appear for walk-in interview on 3rd September 2020. Eligible persons may appear for walk-in interview along with duly filled complete application form in the prescribed format and self-attested photocopies and original documents for verification.